welcome back to Nola Cooks. My name is Nola. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon for more videos every week. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my yam porridge. You know, there are different ways used to make yam porridge, but ever since I started using this method, I had to ask myself, what have you been cooking all this while? Because using this method, it tastes so nice and yummy. So this is why I decided to share this video on my channel. Please keep watching. For this recipe, I'll be using tomatoes, red bell peppers, and Scotch bonnet peppers, also known as hatarodo. I am cutting my peppers into little bits for easy blending before transferring them into my blender. I am now chopping another onions, and you can chop yours into any size that you prefer. In a clean and dry pot, I am adding some palm oil. This is about half a cup of palm oil, and I'll leave it for about 3 minutes to get hot before adding the onions that I chopped earlier. I let the onions fry for about 3 minutes before adding my grounded pepper mix, and I'll just stir that in and cover it to cook for about 15 minutes. While my pepper mix is cooking, I am now preparing the other ingredients that I'll be using for this delicacy. I am slicing some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and yellow bell peppers. I'm sure someone might be thinking, what is she doing with bell peppers? But I'm about to take this yam porridge to another level entirely. I'm also slicing another onion for later use. This is the fish I'll be using for my yam porridge. It is mackerel fish, and it's also known as Titus fish. I already grilled it in the oven, and I am removing the bones, and I'll be shredding it a bit. A list of all the ingredients used in this video will be in the description box below. Please do not hesitate to check the description box for more details. After 15 minutes, I am now adding my seasoning cube. I am using Knorr seasoning for this meal, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish. I am also adding some curry, thyme, and some chicken seasoning. I love to mix my seasoning, and I'll just stir that in. I am adding the fish now and some salt to taste. I'll stir all of that together, and I'll just cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. This is the yam I'll be using for this meal. They are chopped and cleaned already, and I preserved them in the freezer so I can use them anytime I want. I prefer to preserve my yam because when I leave them for a while, they start to get spoiled, and I don't want that to happen, so I prefer to preserve them in the freezer. I am mixing the yam together with the sauce, and I'll be adding some boiling water that is enough to cook the yam. The yam is cooked now, and I'll just mash it a little bit with my turning spoon because this is the way I love my yam porridge. For some people, I know the yam porridge is ready, but I need to take mine to another level. So I'm adding some ugu leaves, and you can use any kind of vegetable of your choice. I am also adding the bell peppers that I chopped earlier for extra flavor and sweetness. You know, bell peppers are really sweet. They give my dish a different taste entirely. So I am adding the onions that I chopped earlier because I love onions in my porridge, and I'll just stir that in again, and I'll let it steam for about 5 or 10 minutes on low heat. My yam porridge is ready now, and as you can see, this yam porridge went to school and graduated from Oxford University. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have subscribed to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.